Whoa, 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 what? Am I not meant to show you? Wait, phone off. You're shoving your hand quite deep in there, aren't you, sir? Yeah. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody hell. Be an MPH.
It's about 525 mile an hour.
525. Yes, guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, as you can see, I'm down here at AutoID. We're going to be doing part 1 of 2 down here before heading up to Dub. And as you can see from the title and probably from the thumbnail as well, I've given in. I did say I wasn't going to do anything carbon fibre-wise, and I wanted to keep the ferric grey, the orbit grey, whatever colour it is. But obviously we've decided to get the bits done and changed up. So yeah, we're going to be doing part 1 of 2 down here before heading up to Dub. But before we do that, I just want to let you guys know, AutoID, if you don't know about them, you've been living under a rock. BMW, Audi, Mercedes-wise, carbon fibre, these guys are your guys. On top of that, they also do BMW OEM parts, so anything BMW wise you want, hit them up and they'll be able to sort you out a great price. But yeah, we're going to catch up with the boys now. They're going to tell us a bit more about the company, what else they do, and then we'll get straight into the install. I'll see you guys in a sec. Yes guys, we've got, whoa, am I not meant to show you? Wait, am I? So Jack, how you doing, man?
Yeah, I'm all good, man.
Long time. I think the last time we met, we've met on the phone and whatnot, but the last time I've been down, was it pre-lockdown, was the meet. AutoID AWC, which was a great day, proper fun.
That was a really good day, yeah. We didn't anticipate coronavirus at that
I was going to say, but since then, obviously, you've been busy, you've had a few people down, Queen V, LLF, you're just knocking it out of the park, aren't you?
Yeah, man, we've been, like, it's been hectic.
Good,
like, COVID for us, it's one of those things, like, I think e-commerce, probably a lot of people in our industry have probably done quite well. Yeah,
everyone's just at home and just get tempted to click that pay now button. It just happens, doesn't it? It just happens, But yeah, so today, talk us, actually, before we get into the video, some people might not know you, it's crazy if they don't, but if they don't, tell us a bit about AutoID.
So, we're a styling firm, vehicle styling firm, and we started back in 2015 doing carbon bits, basically, and we made a bit of noise with that. And
100%,
with that, we had started having partners come on and say, nice one, sir.
Turn your phone off!
So yeah, we made a bit of a noise, and we had other companies approach us. So now we've got 3D Design, Vostein, Esturk, TRE, all of these big brands have said, you know, can you sell our parts?
And all of that's just ready to go as well, is it?
Yeah,
that's one thing I really got to rate you guys. I've been there now, and obviously there's something. Obviously, I think it's probably in the shop. We're not going to show them again, but I've been just behind this wall, guys, and guys, they have everything you need. There's nothing like 2 weeks, 4 weeks, like it's in stock, ready to go.
So we had to hook our guy up with some carbon grills.
Of course.
You've been talking about it for a while.
I've been saying it for a hot sec. I didn't, because obviously you know how it is. Like on a black car as well. My thing was I don't want to go carbon, so I don't want it to go missing. But I've seen quite a few now, and they look very stealthy. And I think the grey for me, if you look at proper M cars, I know M Light's going to be like my car is a proper M car, but if you look at the proper M cars, they have a body coloured thing or a carbon fibre. That's why I was just like, let me go for it. And obviously Sam, who I didn't have an intention to buy last time I come down there, Sam was like, Tim, what about the shark fin? What about the shark fin? Before you know it, pay now, shark fin done. So yeah, shark fin's done. But what are we doing today then?
Yeah, the grills.
The grills. And is it a hard job people can do at home, or?
No, this is straightforward.
Yeah. It's more just lift the bonnet up. There's clips. I think there's one clip there around the side. Then I believe there's 3 at the bottom, right? Yeah. There's one here. Just release all of them, and they literally pop out. You get both of them out literally under 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Famous words here, Sam. Famous words. So exactly. So it's a thing where you obviously you guys do post outs, but obviously you can also fit in house as well. Obviously, you have to book that in and get that sorted. All right, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna let the guys get on with fitting. Obviously, I'm not gonna get in the way because obviously I do tend to get in the way whenever I come down here. I'm like, Jack, what's this? Jack, what's this? But yeah, we're gonna get on with the install, and then we'll see you guys in a sec. Guys, while we've got Sam installing over here, guys, like, talk to me about these lights, man. You got some edit. How's it going there, Sam? All good? So yeah, we have some progress here. We have Mr. Sam doing his business. You're shoving your hand quite deep in there, aren't you, Sam? Yeah. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody hell. So yes, guys, we're only going to be fitting one grill today because obviously Sam tells me it adds about 20 bhp if you leave it open here. It obviously allows you to breathe better, but obviously he's gonna probably just do what. So we're just doing one side, you said, yeah?
What's the 0 to 60? Yeah? Was it? I think it shaves off about 0.3 or something.
0.3, yeah, but that's in kilometers. So what would that be in mph?
It's about 525 mile an hour.
525 mile an hour, guys. So that is the equivalent. So guys, we're looking proper gains here. So Ricky, I know you've recently just tried a thing like trying to say that your car's faster than mine, but with these grills, bro, you ain't ready. You ain't ready. We're doing 5.5 bags, Rick. 5.5. That is the one. So yes, guys, we were joking. We were obviously just going to do one, but obviously Sam said, no, he's not going to let me leave with just one. Obviously, so Ricky, we can't have the race, but bro, I'm ready for you. I'm ready. Remember I said 5.5 bags of Haribo? We're ready. We're doing this race. But yeah, guys, look at that. Look at her. Look at her sat there. So yeah, guys, my thing was that carbon fiber doesn't look good on black because it doesn't stand out, but 100% I was wrong. I've been made to swallow my words, and the quality, second to none. And one thing I like about AutoID is the parts are always in stock. If it's not in stock, it'll be ready in stock like literally within 2 hours, because they know what they're doing and they're the best guys in the business. But yeah, guys, behind my hand we have something very special, but I can't show you. The boys knows what it is, but guys, I'm so sad I can't show you, but I've seen it and I've got to be tight-lipped. There's like an embargo on it and everything, AutoID embargo. But yeah, guys, the car has been done. So again, big shout out to AutoID for carbon fiber. But guys, look at this. Look at it. The quality of that is second to none. And like I said, I wasn't sure about it originally because I said, you know what, on a black car, the whole carbon fiber thing goes missing. But it definitely does look good. It definitely does look good. And as you can see, we've got Sam. Sam, where you going, man? I got to say, Sam.
I thought you was going to stop the recording.
No, bro. I got you. We don't stop at here. So talk to me, man. So literally, I'm going to be very honest with you. You were a man off your word. It did take about 5 minutes. So it's definitely a thing people can do at home. But what is the best advice you'd say in terms of not breaking anything?
Best advice I'd say, I mean, to be honest, just I'd also say don't be too careful, because otherwise you won't be able to. What you have to do, you do have to pull the bumper forward. It does look a bit sketchy, but you do need to pull the bumper forward a little bit just to get that one. And then as soon as this one or whatever one you take off first, you can just put your hand around the side of the grille
and just get the other one out. Okay, all right, fair enough. But yeah, guys, literally, like I said, that is part one done. And just like magic, I'm going to be in DubCustoms in 3, in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, guys, we've made it down to Dub. Super excited to be here. It has been quite a while since I've been here last. But yeah, guys, Dan's actually made a revelation regarding the carbon fiber that AutoID have supplied. Nothing wrong with it, but something that he's noticed, which is very important when he's going to be laying down the next pieces, obviously on the mirror caps and the canards. I'm super excited for this to happen because, like I said, it's my own car. I've seen it on other people's cars, but when it's your own car, you can appreciate it and look at it in a different light, obviously, because my car's better than everyone else's, obviously. I'm chatting rubbish. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited to be here, as I said. So I'm going to chat to Sean, because Sean has got some great news to tell me. He said it's nothing to do with like just your normal stuff. He said this is going to be an absolute game changer. So I'm very excited to see what that is. But yeah, guys, I'm going to pop inside now, see what Dan's getting up to, and also see Stu. I ain't seen in a while. And obviously, man like Connor, Zap Shoots, hit him up, the main man, my guy, Connor. So yeah, as I was saying, this is what Dan was saying, that the carbon fiber here points this way and this one points that way, so it's like a V shape. So Dan clocked that. Like, I didn't clock that straight away. I just would have thought like bang, but Dan said he's going to match that. So Dan, what are we doing today in terms of this? Because it's not just stick it on, you've got to do some prep and stuff, and you were saying.
Yeah, so we clean the mirror cap so it's nice and clean ready, so the wrap can stick to it really well. This wrap is really nice. It's ultra glossy, really realistic as well.
It's a good match as well, isn't it? I was looking at it earlier.
Match as well.
Yeah. But you were saying something about it, you can't just wrap it, you have to, there's more work you need to do after wrapping it.
Yeah, well, what we do is, mirrors are quite hard to do. This one's actually not too bad. But what we like to do is always wrap round edges. That's something that we sort of like can do. Because
you do that, you said to me before about PPF as well, like most companies just leave it there, because I can see like you can see the PPF, but I think with PPF you do the similar sort of thing.
So we'll make sure that you don't see any of this lovely colour which you want to cover.
Exactly.
But yeah, so we'll pop this off once it's on. So we'd like to leave it on there and wrap the mirror. That way it's sturdy.
It's a proper
you can stretch
seal.
the wrap around it, so it goes in the right shape, and then we can pop this off, and then we get around all these edges.
Sick. So it's going to be proper clean. Yeah. Yes guys, so we're losing a bit of light here. Obviously I decided to come quite late in the afternoon and we are getting towards winter, so it is getting quite dark. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to overlay some shots off like how it looks now, because obviously like I said, I haven't gone in there because I kind of wanted to see the big reveal after, and I didn't want to kind of spoil it by just sitting there and watching the whole process. Obviously with the COVID rules and whatnot, obviously I can't be in the warehouse for the full time, only just to have a quick video bit. But yeah guys, like I said, we're nearly hitting 10k. 10k is going to bring something massive to the channel, hopefully, and I know it definitely will, because obviously I've already made the plans for it. So we'll keep that stream. Only one person knows that. Defined, you know who you are. Defined coding, you know who you are, baby. So yes guys, definitely hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope you're having a great weekend. God bless.